Hello and good afternoon. I hope you all keeping very safe and well in this COVID-19 pandemic. Welcome to a financial spreadsheet of ratios called the Ratio Tree. It is calculating the certain margins and prices on the ratios that are related to the spreadsheet on overheads, margin, fixed assets and working capitals and rated returns. So now to start off the spreadsheet, I'm going to go down to the working capital and you see this blank. I have to calculate the working capital for 2020 and 2019. Same with the EBITDA and the margin for 2020 and 2019. So let's start off. That's the correct answer. Now I'm going to calculate the EBITDA. Okay, now the EBITDA margin. So turnover divided by the EBITDA, 14.25%. It's very good. %12.57%, so that's that completed. These are the relevant columns that relate to the headings. The profit and loss account. This one's total assets less current liabilities from the balance sheet. Again, that's the profit and loss account, balance sheet, account note 2. Gross profit minus the profit of the year equals the operating expenses. Balance sheet, then net current liabilities, current assets minus current liabilities, and then the balance sheet. Okay, let's move on to the next part. I have to calculate the share price margins 1 and number 2 for 2018, 19 and 2020. The share price margin number 2. Right, okay, so now we're going to go down to the official ratio number 3. First one is going to be the return on capital employment. These are the relevant numbers that are related to the certain numbers that are required in the sheet. To find the answers, I'll have to divide them by a certain amount of number figures. So for 2020, I'll have to divide 824 by 5,492. So this is the quick way how to divide them. 423 divided 424. Yeah, that's all I have to do. Just divide them by the relevant numbers. So that's 425 and 26, 729 and 5,000. As for 11.6 answer is related to 629 divided by 5.441. So that's very good. So now the next three we're going to calculate for the ratio is return on sales. .09%. Okay, now we're going to move on to the turnover on capital employment. Oh, the correct answers. Now we're going to the next tree, which is the gross margin. 26.6%. Now the next step is the overheads to sales, which is OE. So let's divide those figures. Okay, now we'll go into the net margin, same again. Divide the two figures that are matched to the figure line for the year required. Okay, so that's it for the net margin. Fixed asset turnover is going to be the next step. The working capital turnover is going to be the next one. Okay, now assets turnover. Good. So hope you all enjoy that so far. So I'll continue and go down, finish up the ratio trade spreadsheet in the next video. So stay tuned, watch your hands, stay safe. Have a good pleasant evening and I'll see you all very soon. So thank you all for watching this. Adios.